Fresh pasta isn't just food, it's an experience, and the right machine makes all the difference. Today on Tech Fact, we're diving into the top 5 best pasta makers in 2026, covering options for beginners, busy kitchens, and serious home chefs who want restaurant-quality results at home. From classic manual rollers to smart electric machines, these picks are chosen for performance, reliability, and real-world usability. If you love cooking smarter, saving time, and upgrading your kitchen setup, this video is for you. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Fact so you never miss honest tech and kitchen gear breakdowns, hit like if pasta is your comfort food, and comment below which pasta style you love most. Let's get straight into the machines that can turn simple dough into something unforgettable. Number 5. ICLR Adjustable Pasta Machine. The ICLR Adjustable Pasta Machine is a straightforward, practical choice for home cooks who want fresh, homemade pasta without a huge investment. This manual roller features multiple adjustable thickness settings, letting you dial in the ideal texture for dough whether you're making thick lasagna sheets or fine spaghetti. Its design includes a cutter with 2 width options so you can create a variety of pasta styles with ease, and the sturdy built-in clamp keeps the machine secure during use so you can focus on shaping your noodles. One nice perk is the washable components. The rollers and cutter can be cleaned more easily than many manual machines that can't be washed at all. While it doesn't have electric automation, the manual operation gives you control over every stage of pasta making and brings a tactile satisfaction to the process. For cooks who want simple functionality, reliable performance, and versatility without a complex setup, this pasta machine delivers solid results and makes homemade pasta approachable for everyone. Number 4. KitchenAid Pasta Roller and Cutter Attachment Set. If you already own a KitchenAid stand mixer, the KitchenAid Pasta Roller and Cutter Attachment Set brings professional pasta making right into your kitchen with minimal fuss. Instead of a separate machine, these stainless steel attachments plug directly into the mixer's power hub, letting the mixer's motor do all the heavy lifting. The roller flattens dough into smooth sheets with adjustable thickness settings, and the accompanying cutters shape perfect strands of spaghetti and fettuccine with consistent results. This setup feels polished and reliable, giving you restaurant-quality pasta without manually cranking dough. One of the best parts is how seamlessly it integrates with your mixer. Just attach, feed the dough, and let the machine take over so you can focus on sauces and sides. Cleaning takes a little attention since it's best to brush away dried bits rather than wash with water, but that effort pays off in durability and performance. For pasta lovers who want effortless control and top-tier results from a trusted kitchen brand, this attachment set turns your stand mixer into a pasta powerhouse. Number 3. Sailnovo Manual Pasta Maker. The Sailnovo Manual Pasta Maker is a budget-friendly yet reliable choice for anyone who loves creating pasta by hand. This classic manual roller boasts multiple thickness settings so you can tailor your dough for everything from hearty lasagna sheets to slender spaghetti strands. Made with food-grade materials and a lightweight yet sturdy frame, this machine feels easy to handle and store in any kitchen. The 2-in-1 design combines both rolling and cutting functions, so you can transform your dough into long noodles in just a few simple passes. Its smooth rollers grip the dough nicely and steadily flatten it down as you crank, making the learning curve gentle for beginners. While it requires a bit of physical effort compared to electric models, that's part of the charm. You get hands-on control over how your pasta turns out. Cleanup stays simple if you brush away leftover flour and scraps right after using it, keeping the machine ready for your next pasta night. For home cooks who enjoy the traditional process and want quality results without a high price tag, this pasta maker is a solid pick. Number 2. Philips Viva Collection Pasta and Noodle Maker. For cooks who love fresh pasta but hate the manual effort, the Philips Viva Collection Pasta and Noodle Maker totally changes the game. This automatic pasta machine takes care of everything, from mixing and kneading to extrusion, so all you have to do is add your ingredients and press start. In about 18 minutes you'll have fresh pasta or noodles ready to cook, and the machine includes shaping discs that produce classic styles like spaghetti, fettuccine, and penne. One of the best features is the unique stirring and kneading system that mixes flour and liquids thoroughly, giving dough a perfect texture without effort. The compact design makes it easy to keep on your counter, and built-in storage for shaping discs keeps everything neat. Because it's fully automatic, this is a huge time saver on busy nights yet still lets you enjoy the satisfaction of homemade pasta. If convenience and consistent results are your priorities, this model delivers delicious noodles without the elbow grease. Number 1. Marcato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. If you want pasta that feels like it came straight from an Italian kitchen, the Marcato Atlas 150 is a classic that delivers every time. This manual, hand-crank machine is built with durable chrome-plated steel and engineered so you can roll dough from thick to ultra-thin with precision. It offers multiple adjustable thickness settings, meaning you decide how wide or narrow your noodles should be for everything from rich lasagna sheets to delicate fettuccine. The rollers consistently flatten dough evenly, and the included cutters shape noodles cleanly without tearing. What really stands out is the quality you get for the price. The machine feels solid in your hands and is designed to last years in a home kitchen. Unlike electric models, there's no complicated setup, just clamp it to your countertop and turn the crank at your own pace. Cleanup is simple too, just brush off flour and bits of dough right after use so nothing sticks. For anyone serious about homemade pasta that tastes better than store-bought, this is a tool worth having. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best pasta makers in 2026, each offering something unique depending on how you cook and what you value most. Whether you want hands-on control or push-button convenience, there's a perfect match waiting for you. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below for easy access. If this helped you choose the right pasta maker, hit like, subscribe to Tech Fact for more smart product reviews, and drop a comment telling us which one you'd pick. More helpful videos coming your way.